Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can factory reset Samsung phone without any password. So it's very simple. First up, you gotta completely turn off your phone. You just gotta press and hold the power button and then volume up together. On newer phones, you gotta plug in a charger or PC if it doesn't work. But release the buttons when you see the Samsung logo. And after that, you'll just enter recovery mode. And when you enter recovery mode, you'll see this. And in this option, you can clearly see there are some options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, but you just gotta find the option of wipe data / factory reset. So yeah, you just need to go to and select this photo, and for that you gotta use volume buttons. For up, you gotta use the volume up button, and for down, you gotta choose the volume down button, and then select. Obviously, you just gotta select wipe data plus reset, and then confirm yes by pressing on the power button, and after it's done, select reboot system now. And this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out, and this won't need any passwords. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.